Hey guys, what's up? Bren here, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check 2014. So yeah. So in the front we got Colt leader bars. They're 8.5 rise and 28 width. They're pretty big. I like the longer bars, and yeah. On the bars we have ODI long necks. So yeah, they're kind of getting worn down right here because when I get off my bike. But yeah, and then for the barns we got focus shadow barns. I like these barns a lot. They're nylon, and instead of hearing the sound of metal and having more likely chance of bending your bars, you have less chance of bending your bars because it absorbs the shock. That's sick. Got chickens having like a little fight. What the heck? Alright, they stopped. Yeah. So, for the stem, we got a Shadow Ravenger stem. In top load. I love this stem a lot personally. It raises your bars about an inch, so I'm a huge fan of top load, so that's why I like this stem a lot. For the fork cap, we got an Odyssey cap. It's cool because you can see all the way down to the tire, and I don't know if you can see that, but that is the tire. Sick. Gosh, it's hard to show you guys, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's my finger right there, and that I think is pretty cool. There's my finger. But yeah, got a little off topic there and spaced out, and then for the headset, we got a Shadow Corvus headset, and then a FSA headset spacers, and then for the forks, my favorite forks, Odyssey R32 forks. I love these forks a lot. They are easier for nose manuals, and personally they are just all-time favorite. So yeah. Then for the tire, we got a Colt D-Hard 2.25 to 2.35. Then for the rim, we got a Primo VS rim. I love this rim a lot. It's pretty strong, pretty durable. Then for the hub, we got a Primo M4. Let me just move this. There's this Primo, and if you flip it around again, it says N4FL. It's female hub. Pretty good. I like it. It's not slipping at all. And then I got Rasta spokes, Primo spokes, just any kind in Rasta. So for the frame, we got a Colt OS V3 frame in raw. Put a couple clear coats on it with this Rust-Oleum, whatever, yeah. So it wouldn't rust because it has a pretty crappy clear coat on it. Yeah, and then for the pedals, we got Odyssey Twisted PEC. I don't usually run brown or red right here, but both of my pedals got fucked up, so I have to run different colors, and I usually run black, but these are my favorite pedals. They last like forever if you use them right and treat them right. They last me like at least 6 months a pair. So yeah, I love those pedals. I'd recommend them. And then for the bottom bracket, we got a Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty thick, pretty strong. I like the frame. I like this sprocket. For the cranks, we just got Verde cranks. Just any kind of cranks. For the bottom bracket, we got a Shadow bottom bracket. As you can tell, I like Shadow parts a lot. They're like my favorite bike brand, Colt, Odyssey, and Shadow. And then for the chain, we got a Shadow Conspiracy V2 half link chain. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Shadow right there. But yeah, and then for the pivotal post, we got a Shadow Pivotal post and short. It's only goes down to like about right here. Let me focus the camera. So yeah, it's in red if you didn't tell. And then I got the Colt DAC seat in fat pivotal. Love this seat. It's pretty cushiony. So yeah, I like that seat. And then for the back rim, for the back wheel set, we got, it's not a wheel set, but just for the back wheel, we got a Primo VS rim hooked up to a Primo Remix hub, and then rust the spokes with a Colt D-Hart tire, 2.25 to 2.35. I don't know if you guys want to hear the hub check, hub sound, whatever you guys want to call it, but I'll do it just for the sake of it, you know. So here it is. Yeah, it's pretty light, you know. I like this frame a lot. I like my whole entire bike a lot. Frame's in 20.21 top tube, I mean. But yeah, I'll probably get into this frame a little bit more because I've been riding it for a while now. I'm loving the frame, so I'll probably do a separate review on it. But yeah, guys, this is my first official video on my new channel. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, guys, see you guys later.